guys, we're back. I'm gonna adjust my camera a tiny bit. There we go. All right, you can see my uke. You've done your progression practice. We're on to part 2, and this is for Let It Be. We're gonna go through and just play on the chord symbols, not with the up-down strum yet. There's that tricky little F, E minor, D minor, C part, so I'm gonna go quite slowly, although you wouldn't know it by how quickly I'm talking right now. All right, so get yourself comfortable. If you're coming back to this, then it's time for stretches. Go check out that stretching video and that will help you out. Okay, big breath. All right, so we're gonna start with, it's gonna sound like this. And watch out for repeat signs. We're gonna repeat between the 2 repeat signs. So they have a little thing like this and 2 dots, and you go back to this other 2 dots at the beginning. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, here we go. C, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. A minor, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, E minor, D minor, C, 2, 3, repeat. C, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. A minor, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, E minor, D minor, C, 2. Move on to the chorus. A minor. 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, E minor, D minor, C, 2, 3, 4. Oh, if you made it through that whole thing without stopping, then congratulations, because we just powered through that. Let's do the first section once together, and then we'll do the second section once, and then we'll try it with the strumming pattern. Okay, so from the beginning, find your seat, get comfortable. Make sure you've got lots of space here. Maybe go back to the practice progression part if you're having trouble with that E minor, D minor, etc. Okay, if not, let's get started. 1, 2, ready, play. C, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. A minor, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, E minor, D minor, C, and repeat now. C, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. A minor, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, E minor, D minor, C, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. Okay, let's do the chorus now together. Here we go. So you might need to rewind that a few times. Do that. Practice as much as you need to. Here we go with A minor though, starting from the chorus, and we're going to go all the way through once, and then we're going to go through once with the strum. Here we go. A minor. 1, 2, ready, play. A minor, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, E minor, D minor, C, 2, 3, 4. Great work! All right. I don't know if you're ready for this. Maybe you need to repeat everything you've already done a few times, but we're going to try this strum out. So what we're doing is we're going 1, 2, down, up. So we come down where our chord symbol is on the page, and then on the third beat we go down again, and our fourth beat we come up, and then we change. So you're going to want to be thinking about that change. Try to use your space as well as you can, as economically as possible, and we'll go extremely slowly, or I will try to go as slowly as I can. And you can go slower at home. Go as slow as you need to. When you are learning music, you never need to rush. Take your time. Okay? All right, here we go. From the beginning. And I'm going to slow myself down. Get comfy. Let's do it first part and then second part. We won't repeat the first part. We're going to go through the first part once, then we go through the second part once, and then we go from the beginning and do the whole thing through with the repeat that happens for the first part. All right, for the verse. Ready? On C. 1, 2. Remember going 2. Try that a few times maybe. Pause the video and do that now. Interrupting myself. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, here we go. C, 2, down, up, change to G, 2, down, up, A minor, 2, down, up, F, 2, down, up, C, 2, down, up, G, 2, down, up, F, 2, E minor, D minor, C, 2, down, up. So you might have noticed that I went F, 2, down, down, down. You could also go F, 2, E minor, up, C. But it doesn't really matter for our purposes today. It's whatever's going to be easiest for you. It is nice for us to have a consistent sound all together as a group, and I hope to see you all in the future in one place. But you never know when that will be. So let's do it happily apart for now, but together in our ukulele playing. Let's try the chorus out now. You can repeat that last part as many times as you need. Remember, as slowly as you want. Here we go. A minor, and we're doing the exact same pattern. So down, rest, down, up. Okay. 1, 2, here we go. 2, down, up, G, 2, down, up, F, 2, down, up, C, 2, down, up, C, 2, down, up, G, 2, down, up, F, 2, E minor, D minor, C, 2, down, up. Great job! Okay, how about we go all the way through once with the repeat that happens within the verse, and then I guess it'll be time for the next video. All right, here we go. Starting on C. Again, I'm going to try to keep it somewhat slow. Here we go. 1, 2, here we go. C, 2, down, up, G, 2, down, up, A minor, 2, down, up, F, 2, down, up, C, 2, down, up, G, 2, down, up, F, 2, E minor, D minor, C, 2, down, repeat, C, 2, down, up, G, 2, down, up, A minor, 2, down, up, F, 2, down, up, C, 2, down, up, G, 2, minor, D minor, C, 2, down, up. Great job. All right, I'll see you in the next video or in class. Who knows? Bye.